The first question. In June 2023, Union Minister of Education and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated Project Gajapati and flagged off country's first agriculture special economic zone (SEZ) project and power transformers (T&D) project from New Delhi, Delhi. Options are A. Ethiopia, B. United Arab Emirates, C. Kenya, D. Madagascar. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Gabon. Next question. The Defense Acquisition Council (DAC) has recently, in June 23, approved the deal to acquire the MQ-9 Reaper, Predator B, drones from country. Options are A. Russia, B. France, C. Japan, D. Australia, E. United States of America. Time starts now. And the answer is E. United States of America. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in June 23, collaborated with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METI, to enhance METI's G20 Stay Safe Online, a campaign for cyber safety. Options are A. Wipro, B. Microsoft Corporation, C. Tata Consultancy Services, D. Google, E. Infosys. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Google. Next question. According to the Oil 2023 Analysis and Forecast to 2028 report released by the International Energy Agency, IEA, in June 2023, India will surpass as the main driver of global oil demand growth by 2027. Options are A. United States of America, B. China, C. Russia, D. United Arab Emirates, E. Japan. Time starts now. And the answer is B. China. Next question. Name the insurance company that has recently, in June 23, launched a non-linked participating individual life insurance savings plan named the Smart Wealth Advantage Growth Power Plan. Options are A. Kotak Life Insurance, B. SBI Life Insurance, C. HDFC Life Insurance, D. Max Life Insurance, E. Exide Life Insurance. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Max Life Insurance. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in June 23, launched a facility named Active Money or Flexi Fixed Deposit, which provides current/savings account holders with fixed deposit, FD, like interest rates of up to 7% per annum. Options are A. Kotak Mahindra Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. Axis Bank, D. ICICI Bank, E. HDFC Bank. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next question. The Financial Services Institution Bureau, FSIB, has recently, in June 23, selected the present General Manager of General Insurance Corporation of India, JICRE, as its next Chairman and Managing Director, CMD, of JICRE. Options are A. Devesh Srivastav, B. MP Tangirala, C. Ramaswamy Narayanan, D. A. Mani Meghalai, E. Priya Bhushan Sharma. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Ramaswamy Narayanan. Next question. Which of the following countries has recently, in June 23, launched 41 satellites into space in a single mission using Long March 2D rocket? Options are A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. China, D. United States of America, E. Russia. Time starts now. And the answer is C. China. Next question. Legendary actress Glenda Jackson has recently, in June 23, passed away in London on 15th of June 2023. She had won Academy Awards, Oscar Award, for Women in Love in 1971 and A Touch of Class in Dash. Options are A. 1978, B. 1984, C. 1986, D. 1974, E. 1994. Time starts now. And the answer is D. 1974. Next question. When was the United Nations (UN) International Day of Family Remittances (IDFR) 2023 observed across the globe? Options are A. 13th of June 2023, B. 15th of June 2023, C. 12th of June 2023, D. 14th of June 2023, E. 16th of June 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is E. 16th of June 2023. Next question. In June 2023, Union Minister of Heavy Industries Dr. Mahendranath Pandey unveiled the Dugdh Sanakala Sati mobile app from Mussoorie, Uttarakhand for the Indian dairy industry. Which company has designed and developed the app? Options are A. Kawar Technologies Private Limited, B. QCAD Engineering Private Limited, C. Agro Engineering Equipment Limited, D. Rajasthan Electronics and Instruments Limited, E. EV Technologies Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Rajasthan Electronics and Instruments Limited. Next question. Which defense sector has recently, in June 23, launched Julle Ladakh, Hello Ladakh outreach program to engage with youngsters and civil society? Options are A. Indian Navy, B. National Security Guard, C. Indian Air Force, D. Border Security Force, E. Indian Army. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Indian Navy. Next question. In June 2023, India and Dash country included 15 new areas to expand the negotiations on the Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement, CECA. Options are A. Singapore, B. United Arab Emirates, C. Japan, D. France, E. Australia. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Australia. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in June 23, introduced UPI Software Development Kit (SDK) for its merchants. Options are A. Paytm, B. BharatPe, C. PhonePe, D. Freecharge, E. Razorpay. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Paytm. Next question. Who was recently, in June 23, awarded with the 45th European Essay Prize for Lifetime Achievement? Options are A. Jhumpa Lahiri, B. Anita Desai, C. Preeti Shenoy, D. Arundhati Roy, E. Kiran Desai. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Arundhati Roy.